Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to print on both sides of the paper, even if your printer doesn't support it. So you manually switch the paper over to print on the other side, and I'll show you how you do it quickly and easily. First of all, you need to open your document, for example a PDF in Adobe Reader. Once you've done that, you click on File menu, Print as normal, and instead of printing all 4 pages one after the other simplex one-sided, you click on More Options. And what you do is you select Odd Pages Only. So it will print just pages 1 and 3, so that's the front view of the paper. So I'm going to do that now. Here I'm going to print the odd pages. This printer doesn't support Duplex. You can see it's come out that way around. So you need to make sure it's the same as this and reverse it over and make sure the text is facing down like that when you put in the paper. Now that's done, I'm now going to print the even pages, which are to be on the other side of the paper. So I just select even pages only. So that will print pages 2 and 4 in this instance because there's only 4 pages in total. And then click print. Now this should come out correctly. You can see it's always picking the top page. And that's it. Give it a try. You can print on any printer this way. It doesn't have to be a Duplex capable printer.